Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a medium-well steak. First, select a quality cut, ideally at least 1 inch thick, to allow for even cooking. Pat your steak completely dry with paper towels. This is crucial for achieving that perfect crust. Then, season it generously on all sides with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Don't be shy with the seasoning. Now, let's get that beautiful sear. Place a cast iron skillet over medium-high heat until it's smoking slightly. Add a high smoke point oil, such as avocado or grapeseed, ensuring it coats the pan. Carefully place your seasoned steak in the hot pan and sear each side for about 3 to 4 minutes. You're looking for a deep, golden brown crust. To finish cooking, transfer your skillet directly into a preheated 375 degrees F oven. This gentle heat will bring the steak to your desired doneness without overcooking the exterior. Cook until a meat thermometer inserted into the thickest part reads 150 degrees F. This precise temperature ensures a perfect medium-well interior, slightly pink in the center. The final, and perhaps most important, step is resting. Once your steak reaches 150 degrees F, remove it from the oven and let it rest on a cutting board for at least 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is incredibly tender and flavorful. Finally, slice your perfectly cooked medium-well steak against the grain and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.